The upgraded Ferrari SF90 Versione Speciale spied again with some aggressive aero and could be a track-focused model that debuts this year. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I just talked to you guys about the P250 hypercar just last video about an hour ago, and now we have also the SF90 Versione Speciale. Now, it's impossible to miss various features that makes this Ferrari SF90 so different from the one affluent shoppers can buy right now. And we're not talking about with the white camouflage wrap, because this prototype, unofficially known as the Versione Speciale, is a wash with aerodynamic changes that go far beyond the massive rear wing. Now, there's a new set of spy photos here to give us our best look so far at the future of Ferrari. And this is from Motor1.com, as you guys can see. Now, their sources say that it officially will be called the SF90 LM. Not exactly sure if that's true yet, but there's been other prototypes seen on video and in high resolution images that offer a clear view of the larger front fascia with its wide vents and prominent lip out front. You can also identify sections of the camouflage on the hood that hide the additional vents. Further back, the photos offer a detailed look at the upgraded side intakes for the twin turbocharged 4-liter V8 mounted behind the cockpit. Now, of course, the real magic is happening at the back of this SF90 LM. Among other things, LT and long tail might be more appropriate as it looks a bit longer compared to the standard SF90. Now, observe the extra real estate behind the rear wheels where the redesigned fascia lives. The diffuser is more prominent and there are horizontal slats between the dual center exhaust tips. Now, it's capped by a massive fixed rear wing that looks adjustable, ready to generate all kinds of downforce. And as such, the SF90 LM expected to be a track-focused hypercar, but not a track-only machine. It will still be a street-legal Ferrari, and the aerodynamic changes will likely come with some additional power. Not that the SF90 is lacking in that department, it's a hybrid powertrain that already generates 986 combined horsepower with 769 horses coming from the engine alone. Another 217 horses come from its 3 electric motors, and if Ferrari does dial up the power for the LM, it will be interesting to see exactly where it comes from. More electricity, more fuel. Not exactly sure, but hey, I'll welcome that electric performance. Now, test cars have been roaming the streets out there in Maranello, so as more models come, I'll have them here on the channel for you guys ASAP. But what do you guys think about this Ferrari SF90 LM or Versione Speciale, whatever it may be called? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the love and support, guys. Also, check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.